There's a wisdom I've always gotten that better the faintest ink than the strongest memory. We have many people that can memorize many things, but until we put it in writing, we may not immortalize and give them longevity. I would imagine how would it be if those people who were inspired by God, the prophets, never took time to write. God commanded them to write, and I do believe writing is divine mandate. So I'm glad I've started. I do believe many more books are coming.
What do you expect now that the book has been launched?
Well, I expect it to be read, and more so for it to transform people. I believe this is a revolutionary concept in this book, and we must see it's beyond protocol. It's really about a call to a certain dimension of expression. So I encourage everybody to, commit yourself to what is in the book. Yes, you can. That's the message I believe. It's a global tenet. Yes, you can. Yes.
Probably just a final question. There's a perception that most Kenyans don't read. So what is your message to Kenyan non-readers?
Well, I would believe that's a stereotype by itself. Kenyan non-readers is such a blanket judgment, right? Because here I am, I'm a reader, I'm a product of a reader. The readers there are different types of reading. The academic reading, there's casual reading, and the like. So maybe what category? However, I would believe every Kenyan must read because for you to be a good leader of your own personal life, you must be a good reader. We have to challenge the white man's concept that if you want to hide anything from a black man, put it in a book. I think that's a tired argument. We need to reverse it.